Hello, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Abdul Wahab. I'm overseas Pakistani, and I wanted to get some advice when it came to freelance services and how to pursue the taxation that comes for IT developers, especially for freelance services. And I contacted a lot of lawyers all over Pakistan. A lot of them told me, you know what, you don't have to worry. You can just come to us. We'll do all of your work. But they never told me what they're going to do. So I was always kept in the dark until I started watching Tax Dosti on YouTube, and all the content on Tax Dosti is very informative. And Mr. Anthony is kind enough to explain everything and to interpret all the laws, all the latest regulations released by the government. So I felt like somebody is not just saying that he's gonna do something, he's actually helping me learn about taxation. So this is something that I felt really grateful for. And then I contacted Mr. Anthony and I asked him for some tax advice, tax consultation, and he took his time and he really explained me everything, all about the text from the start to the beginning. And I felt so good because somebody actually took time to teach me about the taxation in Pakistan, because I lived all my life outside. I had no idea of how the taxation works. So I was so grateful, and I would recommend everyone to use Dextos, to use Mr. Anthony's services, because he will not just guide you, he will not just consult you, he will teach you about taxation. So you, as a citizen of Pakistan, you would be more aware of how the laws work, how the taxation works. So nobody can come and try to sneak up on you and try to demand some extra work or extra money. Any other government organization, they can't play with you if you understand how taxation works. And this is where I really am proud to be working with Taxtosti, and I would definitely recommend Taxtosti any day. So have a good day, and please think about your taxation, think about learning taxation, and think about Taxtosti, and check out the YouTube channel as well. It's pretty good. So take care. Assalamu alaikum.